One of the most rewarding things about being an industrial designer, or even learning about it, is to envision a product, go into a program like Autodesk Fusion 360, model that form up, detail it out, and then take it into KeyShot and do renderings of it to make it look realistic, add the graphics and the materials and so forth with it. It's just when you kind of go through that whole process, our 3D CAD world to us, it's a really neat kind of experience to do that. And I want to take you on that journey through this course this summer. My name is Professor Purdy. I'll be the instructor for Intro to Computing 2 that are being taught this summer. And I hope to be able to kind of carry through this that whole process, looking at it from several different perspectives of different modeling types and different rendering techniques as well. The intent of this video is basically to say, it's time to get started with the course, for one note with it, okay? And then to say, go in and start going to the modules there. And this is the first module, which is going to introduce the overall course and how it's structured, and kind of my design intent and so forth with doing it to do that. So that's where we're going to get started with. I start with this external video simply because a lot of times when you first come in, and especially if you click on this course introduction, it may give you an access denied. And the reason is that you will need to go to the Media Gallery tab there, okay? And as you notice here, it says authorize. This is Cultura, which is the back-end system that handles all the videos for Georgia Tech, that system in Canvas. So it's the back-end part of it. But apparently every class, I think it is, or at least once a semester, you have to authorize it to be able to access it. And if you try to use the link under the modules, a lot of times it'll just simply pop up access denied. So if you see that, make sure you go to this Media Gallery tab here, hit authorize, that pops up, and then you should see all the playlist and subsequent videos. I'll go through and talk about how all these are structured, and how to follow along and so forth. Your main thing is going to be the modules that you'll work through, the different content that we're going to be with today, and using these video links to get to those playlists. Let's see if it's going to work this time. But like I said, right here it may say access denied, and that's where you got to go to Couture, or go to Media Gallery, authorize Couture, and then these should work. All right, so this is a series from last semester. I will be re-recording all these as part of to get class started this summer. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know if anything comes up, especially with that access and I keep showing it up. It may be something else that I may need to get fixed. But otherwise, it's time to get started, and hopefully you get to enjoy and get a lot out of this course this summer.